Hello everyone and welcome. In this presentation, I will demonstrate a VSFTPD exploit on a client's metasploitable machine from attacker's Kaylee box. My name is Michael Franklin, and in this presentation, I assume the role of a penetration tester at Haverbrook Security Lab, a cybersecurity firm specializing in penetration testing and vulnerability scanning for clients in various industries. Haverbrook Security Lab was hired by Hotel Dorsey, a medium-sized hotel chain along the East Coast, to review its IT systems. Therefore, this penetration test aims to investigate whether the IT systems at Hotel Dorsey are vulnerable to cyber attacks. I have my two virtual machines ready. The Kaylee box is set at IP address 10.3.2.50. The vulnerable metasploitable machine is set at IP address 10.3.2.100. The goal is to hack into the client's metasploitable machine using VSFTPD exploit, steal the password file, and crack it using John the Ripper tool. The first step is to ensure the two machines can communicate. This is confirmed by conducting a ping test. So here on my Kali, I will ping the Metasploit machine IP address 10.3.2.100. As demonstrated, the ping test is successful. Hence, the penetration test can begin. So, I will begin by accessing the client's metasploitable machine using the command msf console. After accessing the metasploitable machine on my Kaylee box, I'll begin the VSFTPD exploit by running the search VSFTPD command. This command will open the backdoor exploit. Then I will copy the backdoor exploit link and run the command use as demonstrated. To open the backdoor, I will use the command show options. Then I will use the command set our host to set the address of the target machine, which is 10.3.2.100. So now we are ready to exploit the attack. We can use the command exploit or run. In this case, I will use the command exploit to access the root of the victim machine. The command ID confirms we are in the root. Then I will run the command pwd to find the current directory. Then I use command ls to list all files in the directory. I will also use the command ls-la to observe all the files that are in the root directory. My interest will only be two files, red team look here and red team 3. To access red team look here file, I'll use the command ls/red team look here. This will show a folder named shadow. To check what is in the shadow, I'll use the command cat/red team look here /shadow to open the file and show all the details in it. Importantly, we can observe red team students and encrypted passwords. So here, the password I will be interested to crack will be in red team 3 student 2 text. I will copy the details of the encrypted password, then open a new Kali terminal. Here I will use leafpadfranklin.txt command to save the file as a text. I will use John the Ripper tool for credentials theft, specifically to crack the password. The command johnfranklin.txt will help crack the password. The password is 3B. Now, we go back to the Kali terminal to complete the data exfiltration and access the red team 3 file. Here the command to use is cd /red team 3. I'll use the command ls to show the content inside red team 3 file. I will enter the particular file using the command cd /red team 3 /student 2. To show the contents inside the file, I'll use the command ls. A file named mypass.txt is now visible. So, we want to see the contents of this mypass.txt file. I'll use the command cat mypass.txt. A base 64 coded message is shown. We need to decode it. I'll use the command base64 \d. Then copy the file name, which is mypass.txt. And there we go. The content inside the file is username redteam3 student2. This marks the end of my hacking process. For the recommendations, first, Hotel Dorsey should consider conducting an extensive penetration test to understand the extent of vulnerability in the areas of the IT system that are highly compromised. This information will guide the hotel's management in taking the right measures to address all the gaps in cybersecurity. Two, also, it's important for Hotel Dorsey to invest in modern anti-cyber attack software such as firewalls and antivirus. Using updated versions of software is also important to ensure enhanced cybersecurity. Three, Hotel Dorsey's management should consider empowering its IT department by hiring more competent employees to not only provide IT services and support, but to also create an internal cybersecurity team. Such a decision would cut the cost since external experts such as pen testers may not be needed. And finally, Hotel Dorsey should adopt a strong password policy to hasten the cybersecurity. As the John the Ripper tool revealed, the passwords used by Hotel are weak, short, and easy to guess.